Hey guys, we got a new one for you today. I know this isn't plumbing, but we have a PS4 controller that the battery quit working. Pretty much if you charge it, it would last 5 minutes before it would go dead. So I got on the internet and I found some replacement batteries. I've got a 2-pack here. I believe they were, I don't know, $30 or $40 for a 2-pack. It's November of 2022. Anyway, so it comes with these screwdrivers, different things to take it apart. This is the first time I've ever did one, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys can see what's going on and everything. First thing I did, grab one of these screwdrivers and undo some of the screws here. And then you don't want to lose any of those. They're small and dark. I think what I'm going to do is put them right in the little box that the battery came in so I don't lose them. And it looks like these, so far these are just a small Phillips. And we're going to take those out. Hopefully they don't have anything weird going on that I should know about. Alright, in the box. Well, that one had a bunch of gook on it. Probably pizza cheese or something. So we're going to do these. Hopefully you can see okay. These so far are all the same looking. They're just a little small Phillips. That one's gonna fight me a little bit. Probably because it's got some debris in there. So this is a PS4 controller, PlayStation 4. So we got 4 out. Okay. Let's see. See if there's any other ones I should know about. I don't see any. I'm assuming this will come apart. I'm going to have to pry it a little bit, or it's got some goo. Okay, just kind of give it a little twist. Well, it does have a lot of debris in there. It seems like something's holding it up. I don't see another screw anywhere. That'll be my luck. Underneath this little tab here, there's a screw. Something's going on there. Yeah, I have a couple other controllers, and I thought, well, since I know this one quit working all the way, I might as well kind of, this will be the guinea pig one to see how to get it apart. And I wish I would have watched a video on YouTube how to do it. I knew you guys get a kick out of that, especially since I was going to post this on YouTube. Well, I'm thinking there's got to be another screw hidden somewhere. I feel a divot underneath this little tag here. I wonder if that's where the screw is. As much as I don't want to take this. Yep, there's something there. Yep, a little. I'm going to save that tag for later. Yeah, what I did, I looked at the model number and stuff on this tag, and then that's what I used to look it up on the internet. Now this looks like a weird one here. I bet it's this one. That's kind of a strange looking screwdriver. Let's see if it'll fit in that. Yeah. Well, heck. Doesn't seem like it's catching in there. I take it back, guys. I don't think that's a screw or anything. Okay, guys. Let's see about getting this apart now. Gotta kind of give just a little bit of a tug. Now be careful. There's a ribbon in here that we don't want to hurt. There it is. Okay, so we're not going to touch that part. Let's see. There's the old battery. So I want to kind of put it back the way the old one came out. I can't see with it on, even my glasses on. So we got to grip this. I wish I had some fingernails right now. I don't. Since it's the old one, I didn't have a problem pulling by the cord. But if you wanted to save this, I wouldn't recommend doing that because you could mess it up. Okay. So let's remember black was on that side and red was on the other side. So not gonna believe this. The freaking connector's different. Okay. Well, guys, kind of screwed the pooch on this one. I don't know if I can switch these out or not. I don't know if they're soldered in there or what. Dang. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened on that. That's a shame. Well, I'll see if I can switch the connector and see if that'll work or not. Okay, guys, things are getting cray around here now. So the old plug is not matching the new one. So I got the great idea to disconnect, cut off the old one at a time so it don't short. And what I'm going to do is bare these wires a little bit. I'm going to do the same thing on this one and switch this onto this. And then either solder the connections. I don't know if I'll just twist them or not, but probably would be wiser to do a little solder on each one to switch it out. But I'm not going to bore you to tears about that. So I'm going to do some of that work here. Bare the wires and then switch the connector and right back on that. Okay, guys, doing a little brain surgery here. Not real high-tech stuff, but the connections are on the clip are different. The wattage on the batteries are the same, so it's just a different plug-in. So I gotta make this work. Well, otherwise I could send it back, I guess. That's probably what I would recommend. Anybody else doing? Guess I'm eager to get this going. See how I did that? So I'm going to do it on this plug-in as well. Make sure you get the colors matched right. Okay. This is what we got so far, guys. I'm going to twist the red first together. And then the black. I have my soldering iron heating up right now. Smell it over there. Get her twisted together. Well, that didn't twist very good, did it? Right, because I was twisting it backwards. Get it together here. Ow. Poked myself. Okay. Well, the tricky part is getting this soldered together. I have a little flux here. What I can do is dip each connection into a little bit of flux. And I got some rosin core lead-free solder. Now, ideally I would have put a heat shield underneath this, but probably need to put something so I don't drip solder everywhere. Okay guys, we're getting fancy now. We got a inverted paper plate. You don't need a lot, just a little on there. Okay. Well, I think that should be enough on there. Looks like it's got solder in both. So I'm gonna unplug my soldering iron. That's something else to do for soldering. Make sure you got some ventilation. Yep. Got some fumes going on. Some air in here. Yeah, ideally I would have had a little shrink tubing or something to put it on there, and I could have just slid it over and shrink tubed it. But instead I have good old black tape here. I think it'll work fine. Alright. I'm not going to bore you guys to tears anymore. I'm trying not to anyway. Well, these should be cool. I'm just going to wipe them a little bit. Get a little bit of the flux that might be on there off. We don't want a lot of tape, we just want a little. Let's see. You just want to make sure that those ends are covered so you don't get shorted anything. Let's see if we're back in business now. Okay, guys. Well, it either work or it won't. That's my philosophy. I heard this is a trick to get back together. A little bit. Get it lined up. Something to make sure the trigger's working. Alright, guys. Then you put your screws back in and then test it out. See if it works. Thanks for watching today, guys. Like I said, this is a controller I didn't really care about too much, and kind of experimented on it. So if you don't feel comfortable doing this, have somebody do it for you. Make sure your buttons are working. Feels pretty snug here, but on this side it's kind of holding up just slightly. Hopefully that's not an issue. I'll just get it screwed down. Thanks for watching today, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. I got a plumbing one I'm going to upload as well, replacing a incoming water shutoff that was a nightmare to do. But thanks a lot, guys, for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. It's Black Friday 2022. Take care now. Have a Merry Christmas.